welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about my pamper routine. So to pamper myself, I always apply hair oil before I do my pampering a night before. So if you want to know how I do all this and how I pamper myself, then please keep on watching. So to start up my pamper routine, I always apply hair oil because my hair are a little dry and frizzy. So to avoid all that, I always nourish them with a nice hot hair oil massage, and then I rinse it with lukewarm water. And then for my shampoo, I use this Scent Botanica Argan Oil Keratin shampoo. This because I have done keratin and smoothing to my hair. So to protect that treatment, I use this hair shampoo, and this is amazing, guys, literally amazing. I do twice, like I wash my hair with the shampoo twice because I want to take all the oil out from my hair, and then I rinse it with like normal room temperature water. And then to condition my hair, I use their herbal essence conditioner. It is coconut flavor conditioner, and I love coconut conditioner, that fragrance. So I take it in my palm and then I apply it on the length of my hair, on the tips of my hair, and then slightly massage it, and then I tie it into a bun, because never leave your hair open when you have conditioner on, because that can give you back acne and maybe something like that. And then until the time the conditioner is like smoothing my hair, I do my shaving. If I want to do shaving, I use this Venus Satin Care hair shaving cream and use this Venus razor. This razor is amazing. You don't need to be very careful that you can cut yourself. It just twists and bends wherever it needs, and then I shave it, and then I rinse it with water once my shaving is done. And you have to keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you do shaving, you have to exfoliate your skin wherever you have shaved your body. So I use this M-Caffeine's body scrub. It is a very nice gentle scrub, and coffee always exfoliate your skin nicely. You have to exfoliate after shaving, because it won't give you that inner growth and blackhead sort of things. So always exfoliate if you do shaving. And after that, I rinse it with water, and then I rinse my body also. I use my body wash and I just rinse my body, and then I rinse out the conditioner. I make sure that I rinse my hair thoroughly, because I don't want to leave the conditioner onto my scalp or my hair. So I rinse it like nicely to 10 to 15 minutes. I just be there under the shower. And then for my skin, for my face, I take this Himalayas oil-free face wash, because I have combination skin and I do produce oil onto my T-zone. So I just use this face wash. I nicely cleanse my face with this face wash, and then I exfoliate my skin with this Biotique's Bio Walnut Scrub. I know walnut scrubs are not that great for your skin because they are a little harsh, but this scrub is not that harsh. It has that nice creamy texture. It has our walnut particles, but they are not that harsh. So I exfoliate it, and after that I rinse it off and apply this Fuchsia Detox face mask. My face mask, I just change them. I don't use same face mask all the time. I just see what my skin needs. So this time my skin needed a lot of detoxifying, so I just wanted to detox my skin properly. So I used this face mask, and trust me guys, Fuchsia brand I can trust, and this face mask really nice. Till the time this face mask is settling, so I just take this my Palmer's cocoa butter. Like I said, I love coconut, so I take this cocoa butter, and I take a lot of cocoa butter onto my palm and apply it all over wherever I have done shaving, onto my legs. You have to moisturize after shaving because your skin can get dry. And after that, I just rinse out my face mask. This thing I do before my face mask and my skincare, but I'm a human and I can't forget, right? So I forgot, so I did it now. I don't like to shave my hair at the moment. I might do it in the future, but I prefer waxing. and then I rinse it out with water and then apply my favorite toner, which is Wow Skin Vitamin C toner. I applied a lot of toner and wait until it little bit gets settled, and then I use this L'Oreal's Micro Crystal Essence, and it has helped me. If you watch my previous videos, my skin was not that great, and it is helping me to heal my skin. I apply it, pat it into my skin and wait until it's completely absorbed into my skin. Then I use this Australian tea tree serum, and this is for acne prone skin, and mine is acne prone skin, so that's why I use this. I apply it, let it settle down for 5 minutes. Till the time it's getting settled, I apply my under eye cream, because I don't need to tell you the story. You know my under eyes, like, they are a little bit darker because I don't get proper sleep. So I let that serum settle. So till the time it's getting settled, I apply my under eye cream and I massage it a little bit around my eyes, and so that it goes onto my eyelids as well, because they are also a little bit darker than my normal skin tone. And once that is done, I use this vitamin C face cream. I use this because it's an oil-free face cream, and I don't want to give so much oil on my face because I have already combination skin. So if you have oily to combination skin, always apply and use oil-free products. And once that is done, I apply my favorite lip balm, which is Carmex. And oh, I'm so sorry, I do first whatever moisturizer I'm using, the same moisturizer I apply to my hands, and then I apply my lip balm. Sorry, I just miscalculated, but that's okay. Once my hand moisturizing is done, I apply a lip balm, and yeah, that's it. And then I apply my hair serum. Currently I'm using this L'Oreal hair serum. I warm it up into my palm first, and then I apply it to my hair length and the tips first, and then I slightly apply it onto my scalp. That's it for this video. This is my pamper routine. I hope you must have liked it, and you also let me know how do you pamper yourself in the comment box. If you like this video, then give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye.